Kick package. This is the basic package and also a how-to section as well. So this one is how to do the side kick, alright? Which is one of the 3 basic kicks in martial arts. Front kick, side kick and roundhouse or turning kick. They are 3 basic kicks that anyone will learn when they join a martial arts school, okay? So today, like I said, we're going to be covering a side kick. I'm just going to give you a demonstration of what that kick is and then we'll break it down. Good. Okay, so breaking that kick down, same as the front kick, there's 4 points to your side kick. Knee chamber, extension, the re-chamber, and then placing your foot back on the floor, the finish of the move. So, first things first, if I'm kicking this way and my target's there, I'm just going to use that way, this direction, just so you can see the kick nicer, okay? So my target's there, and that's the kick, the way that I'm kicking. The direction of my target here, okay? So, if that's the case, I'm going to bring my knee up here, okay? It always comes up to the side of where your target is, alright? So, my target's there, I'm going to bring that knee up to the side like so. And did you see the bottom foot pivot? So watch carefully from here. I'm going to pivot that bottom foot and I'm going to bring this back knee up. Here, all in one movement, okay? Then from there, the extension comes out. Now I can't just extend from here because look, my kick will go down there, okay? But my target's up here. So I just need to lean my body slightly, re-angle the knee, and then extend from there, okay? So here, position 1, my knee's up, okay? And then from there, I'm gonna lean and then attack my target like so, okay? And for the side kick, it's really, really important that you've got your heel, your torso, and your head all in a nice straight line. So if I'm kicking there and you're my target, the camera, I want this, okay? See how I'm in a nice straight line from head straight down through to my heel, okay? And that's the position that you want for a side kick. You don't want to be here and you don't want to be here, okay? Nice straight line, good. So we've covered position 1 and we're covering position 2. So from here, position 1, pivot that bottom foot, bring that knee up nice and strong, okay? I'm also now very guarded, so see when someone comes in to attack, boom, I can attack straight from there, okay? So here, position 1, knee up to the side. I've got my guard up, my hands up, they're not hanging, okay? Your arms are just as important as your legs when you're kicking. From here, my target's there, I'm gonna lean, snap out that side kick, keeping that nice straight line and posture, then re-chamber and down, okay? They're your 4 points to the side kick. So, again, nice and slowly, position 1, the pivot on that bottom foot, as well as bringing that back knee up, okay? You wanna bring that back knee up nice and tight. I'm locked in, okay? I'm ready to attack. I fire out that side kick, keeping that nice straight line, pull back, and then down, okay? Now some people, to get the height, they forfeit the position of their body and their kick, okay? Now if you want to get the height in that leg, try not to do this. And throw your body down, okay? Try and work on the posture and the correct positioning of the kick first, and then work the leg, work the kick, and the position of the height of the kick will come, okay? But don't forfeit technique for bad posture, all right? So from here, we have position 1, knee up, pivot that leg, arms guarded. 2, leg out, extend. See how I'm in a nice straight line. My body leans back slightly. 3 and 4. Good. Okay, now when you're kicking with a side kick, the position of your foot, the point of the foot which makes the impact, you can either kick with the heel, so you bring the heel through more though, so than the rest of your foot, or the knife edge, okay, which is this part here. So you tuck your toes in, and you kick with a knife edge there. Okay, so there are your points of impact with the side kick on the base of your foot. So it's the heel or the knife edge of the foot there. Alright? So I'll just show you one more demonstration slow. From here, bring that knee up, extend, rechamber, and then down. Good. And I'll show you one of them fast. From here. Good. And that's your side kick covered.